The 7366, this is a balcony cabin. So as you come in, onto your right, you have your closets here. Right, there's one here, there's one here, long hanging. And then behind the door, which is propped open, there's another closet. We'll look at the bathroom last. You come in here, you have a nice lighted mirror, phone, a little bit of power, smaller TV by today's standards, and some more cabinetry here, which is nice. Okay, across from this desk area, you do have a sofa, little coffee table, it's movable. And you have your two twin beds that can convert to become a king. As you see, they are separated here. You have a nice mirror right here. The balcony, not too big, not too small, right? Couple of chairs, good views out the side of the ship, except for that crane right there. All right, let's go take a look at the bathroom. All right, so you do have a shower curtain, no glass. Remember, this is an older ship. Toilet, that's actually in a decent place for the taller Fluffy. And then your mirror, got a makeup mirror there, right? So there you go. There is your balcony cabin. Enjoy.